Hi, this is Dr. Megha. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the one and only sebogel, which contains salicylic acid in it. It's a popular over-the-counter salicylic acid based gel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about what are the ingredients of it, how to use it, what are the side effects of it, who should avoid, who should use, and in the end of the videos, I'll also be giving you my personal review on this product, so do watch this video completely. So let's begin with this video. Let's start with the ingredients of sebogel. It has two main active ingredients. One is salicylic acid and the other one is nicotinamide. It has 2% salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is basically beta hydroxy acid. It goes deep into your skin, unclogging the pores and also gently exfoliates the skin. And the other ingredient is nicotinamide. What nicotinamide does, it has anti-inflammatory properties which helps in reducing redness, inflammation, and also helps in improving overall skin texture. It has other ingredients also in it like aloe vera, which helps in calming and soothing the skin as well. So these were the ingredients. So let's see who should use this product. Sebogel is best suited for acne prone skin, combination skin, oily skin type, and also it controls excessive oil production of the skin. It helps in controlling whiteheads, blackheads, small comedonal acne. It also controls mild to moderate acne and also helps in improving overall skin texture. So these were the main uses of this gel. So let's see who should avoid sebogel. Salicylic acid should be avoided if you have extremely dry skin or sensitive skin, or if you have damaged skin barrier, if you have eczema prone skin. Do avoid salicylic acid gel. So now let's see how to use this gel. You should use sebogel only at night. As it contains salicylic acid, your skin might get sensitive to sunlight if you apply it in the daytime. It's better to use it at night. Use it at night after cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. Take this gel in a very small quantity. If you have oily T-zone, apply it on the oily T-zone, or if you have active acne on your face, use it as a spot treatment and apply it only on the affected area and let it sit on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, follow it up with a good moisturizer, and that's it. That's about it, and make sure you're not applying it on broken skin. So that's how you should be using sebogel. Now let's see what are the possible side effects of using sebogel. So like any other ointment, this also has some mild to moderate side effects like dryness or peeling in the beginning of the usage. In the initial stage, you can even experience burning sensation or tingling sensation. That you don't have to worry about it. That's very normal. Make sure to use good moisturizer on top. So as you continue using the product, these side effects will subside on its own. And there is one more thing which I need to add in this. Sebogel can cause photosensitivity. That means your skin might get a little sensitive to sunlight. So always use a broad spectrum sunscreen in the daytime. And one more thing which I wanted to cover, this sebogel is meant for acne, oily and combination skin. But what if you have dry skin and you want to use sebogel? Even I have dry skin, so let me tell you how you can use sebogel. If you have acne on any part of your face, just take this gel in a small quantity, apply it as a spot treatment, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, then wash it off with plain water. Use sebogel in this way. This will not irritate your dry skin. So that's it. Here's my final take on this product. This product works really well on whiteheads, blackheads. It even helps in reducing open pores, and those who have early stage of acne, those people can also definitely try sebogel. And the best part is it's affordable, accessible and also beginner friendly. So do give it a try if you have all these skin concerns. And that's about it. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. And if this video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more such videos, and take care of yourself. Bye.